Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. We're at Dollywood and we're going to go on the RMC Lightning Rod. It should be an interesting ride. Never been on this one before. Didn't do any research, so it's going to be a first ride for me. Just check it out. I think they put you in whatever seat, or if we can pick a seat, we'll try to go in the front or the back. We'll see what happens when we get up there. Join us for the coaster. Got here. This is the new version. They took one of the old launch elements out. They redid it a little bit, so we'll get to see what that looks like here, and we'll bring you along for the ride. Just show you some of the theming on the way in. It's really beautifully done. They've got some of that 50s and 60s music playing there. So anyway, we're with Becky the Trekkie, and we'll see you when we get on the ride. I'm in. Seat 3. They just put you in where they say to maximize the trains. Oh, they got little hand grips.
Yeah.
Or you can go up.
I don't know if I can.
Hands up. So the
I feel like I'm gonna
RMC
be like bouncing my shoulders.
Lightning Rod. Oh boy, this is supposed to be crazy. Lightning Rod. I think we're green.
My eyes watering.
I think we're green, Becky. Clear. We're going. All clear, everybody. All right.
Oh my.
Here we go. Oh boy. Get ready for it. He's picking up speed. Here we go, everybody. Get ready to fly. Forward.
Holy. Oh my God. My eyes.
Well, I liked it, but I gotta say Goliath or Steel Vengeance is a little more intense. But we're in seat 3. It's daytime. I'm sure at night in the back row this would be crazy.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So, but I mean, great ride. I had a great ride. Even in, I don't know that there's a bad seat on the coaster, you know what I mean? As far as that goes, so. But that woke me up.
Yeah.
Woo! And I feel good. I don't feel twisted at all. It's a pull down push, and it's a tough one. 2 little silver clips. Up and out. ride, just coming off a Lightning Rod, the RMC here. That's a wooden roller coaster. It used to be the only launching wooden roller coaster. They took the launch element out and just put a conveyor belt lift hill in, which does pick up speed as you go up the hill. It's not a launch, but it's still all good. The first drop's kind of a fake out. We didn't watch this or anything. It was just like a first ride. We were in the third row, couldn't really tell where we were going. And I thought we were gonna go for a deep dive, like right out of the gate. Did you think like right over the hill and then boom?
I kind of did, but you could kind of see it standing in line at least. It's like that little dip at first.
I didn't look at all, had no
And then,
idea.
yeah.
So that little fake out, I was like, ah, come on. And then the first drop was good, and really it just the pacing, and just I feel like, you know, when you compare it to like Steel Vengeance or Goliath or some of the other RMCs like this, but those are converted. I think they built this, so it's a little bit different style. But I had a great ride all in all. We'll see if it's number one here. We're probably going to hit Big Bear Mountain. That's supposed to be the best family coaster in the world, and this was voted the #1 park last year. So we're here at Dollywood. We're having a great time. Any final thoughts?
Nope, great ride.
All right, well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for us if you've stuck with us this long and you haven't. We'd appreciate that. And we'll see all our fellow travelers and loyal subscribers soon. Bye, everybody.